Hey Josh, Scott with Impact Latent SEO. Made this video for you, kind of showing the things I do and how you could get more leads and steal them from SafeLane in particular. First I go over your website, then I'll go over a Google search and different services that I provide. And if you like what you see, then we can set up a discovery call, and if not, no harm, no foul. So, starting with your website here, there are a couple of things that I would recommend for you. First off, I love that you guys are veteran and family owned. That's awesome. I actually have a plumber up in Idaho who's a veteran. Anyway, that's a side story. But a couple things. One, I would not use black as your background just because for ADAS compliance, or ADA compliance, people who have any type of disabilities, they can't really see that. So that's one. The other thing I'd recommend is to have more content on your website. The reason for that is Google loves to see content, and they want to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. Throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. And what that means to me is when it is a service and a location. So like windshield replacement Salt Lake City, or Salt Lake City windshield replacement. The other thing you could do is if you save your pictures correctly, instead of it saying, oh, this is the website. Let's see. I don't see any actual images. Those look like backgrounds. So, but those could also be saved as buyer intent content or buyer intent keywords in the content because it's embedded behind the photo for you. So, looking right here, this is a tool I use called Ahrefs. It'll show me your analytics and where you're setting. The DR and UR are the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want these continuously moving up and balanced whenever possible. You're currently at 0 and 3, and that's due to your referring pages and domains. And what those are backlinks, and if you don't know what a backlink is, it's when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so make sure to stay relevant to your industry and location whenever possible. It looks like you're being indexed for 4 keywords, and you're getting about half a person to your website each and every month. So looking at the keywords that you are being indexed for, JW Repair, Auto Care, Auto Repair, those are good branding keywords, but like this one right here is what I call buyer intent, windshield replacement repairman. The only thing is you're on the second page of Google, so you're really not getting too much traffic to your website each month. And so looking at like windshield replacement Salt Lake City, right here this is usually where I help most of my auto glass companies. Is their ads. This is how you could get business really quick right now. And pretty much what you want in your ad is to have these keywords as much as humanly possible on here. And so, you want to have windshield replacement. Right here it says replace windshield, so not the same thing. Windshield repair and replacement, glass replacement. But it does say Utah. So those are how you get high click-through rates, and then your landing page experience should be click to call up here, what you do and where you do it, maybe a form submit, and then the rest of your the rest of the landing page should be like trust factors, how to call you, how to contact you, how the process works, things like that. And then being in the Google Business Profile is another way to be generating business organically. It's okay that you're not here. There's lots of ways to do that. You can make sure your name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet, so you don't mislead Google. Getting reviews is great. I have a little trick to make sure that you get good reviews. And then also having branded, geotagged, or geolocated photos weekly is beneficial because it shows Google you're growing your business organically. And then adding your name, address, and phone number into things like Yellow Pages and Yelp is helpful because Google is like a big popularity contest, and by giving out your information to as many people as possible, they'll start to trust you, not just in your location, but in the surrounding. And about 70% of traffic stop right here, so the rest of it goes into other people's websites. So if we look at Two Bros Auto Glass, looking at their website, there's not too much content on here. So when you start to have more content than them, better buyer intent keywords, and those authoritative backlinks and citations, I don't know exactly where you go to, but just like this one keyword, there's 400 searches for windshield replacement. So when you start to outrank your competitors, a percentage of these total volumes will start to go to your website instead of your competition, and a percentage of them will either call you or form submit, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. So I look forward to talking to you. Like I said, if you're interested in talking more, let's set up a discovery call, and other than that, we'll talk soon. Have a great day.